Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Sphere News Network. It's time 9 p.m. bulletins. I'm Adhiya Said. Mariam Nawaz said that the government is transferring. There will be no corruption. She said that opposition will contest the Senate election. 2000 will be end of this election and the year of elections. Mariam also said PDM will not resign at the requesting of anyone. The people of PDM are wise. She said that PDM would decide on resignations and long march according to the requirement. Shibli Fra said that PDM have different statements. Bilawal give an option of distrust and SN Iqbal is skeptical. PM Imran Khan said that our footsteps are clear in this regard of immediately funding and we have no fear. Karachi is still number 1 in corona positive cases while the country is losing momentum. Karachi citizens must take precautions. Mariam Aurangzeb held a press conference against mortgaging government land. She said under Nawaz Sharif, government land was safe and is now being mortgaged. She also said those who call themselves honest are selling the country. The Speaker of Punjab Provincial Assembly told the Provincial Law Minister, "What are you doing? Buses are being looted. Never before has there been such a law and order situation." India resounded with the slogans of "Long Live Pakistan" in New Delhi. People took to the streets and chanted slogans. 6 people were arrested, including 3 girls. China defeated India again. The Indian soldiers was badly wounded when the government gave the impressions that the corps commander had taken control of the situations there. Public protest against the lockdown in New Zealand turned violent. There will be clash between the people and the police. Government decided to get rid of 4 power distribution companies. According to the government, electricity theft and non-payment of bills has become a serious problem. The best steps should be taken to solve this as soon as possible.